Strawberry. The strawberry, Fragaria ananassa, originated in Europe in the 18th century. It is a hybrid of two wild strawberry species from North America and Chile. Strawberries are bright red, juicy, and sweet. They're an excellent source of vitamin C and manganese and also contain decent amounts of folate, vitamin B9, and potassium. Strawberries are very rich in antioxidants and plant compounds, which may have benefits for heart health and blood sugar control. Usually consumed raw and fresh, these berries can also be used in a variety of jams, jellies, and desserts. Strawberries mainly consist of water, 91%, and carbohydrates, 7.7%. They contain only minor amounts of fat, 0.3%, and protein, 0.7%. The nutrients in 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of raw strawberries are: calories, 32. Water, 91%, protein, 0.7 grams. Carbs, 7.7 grams. Sugar, 4.9 grams. Fiber, 2 grams. Fat, 0.3 grams.
Zero Fat TV. Think different. Strawberry. Zero Fat TV. Think different. Presentation.
Strawberries have a glycemic index, GI, score of 40, which is relatively low. This means that strawberries should not lead to big spikes in blood sugar levels and are considered safe for people with diabetes. Fiber comprises around 26% of the carb content of strawberries. One 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving of strawberries provides 2 grams of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Dietary fibers are important to feed the friendly bacteria in your gut and improve digestive health. They are also useful for weight loss and can help prevent many diseases. The most abundant vitamins and minerals in strawberries are: vitamin C. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, an antioxidant necessary for immune and skin health. Manganese. Frequently found in high amounts in whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables, this trace element is important for many processes in your body. Folate. Vitamin B9, one of the B vitamins, folate is important for normal tissue growth and cell function, and fundamental for pregnant women and older adults. Potassium. This mineral is involved in many essential body functions, such as regulating blood pressure. To a lesser extent, strawberries also provide iron, copper, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamins B6, K, and E. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds, including pelargonidin, the main anthocyanin in strawberries. This compound is responsible for the bright red color. Ellagic acid. Found in high amounts in strawberries, ellagic acid is a polyphenol antioxidant that may have many health benefits. Ellagitannins. Related to ellagic acid, ellagitannins are converted to ellagic acid in your gut. Procyanidins. These are antioxidants commonly found in strawberry flesh and seeds that may have beneficial health effects. More than 25 different anthocyanins have been found in strawberries. Pelargonidan is the most abundant. Anthocyanins are responsible for the bright colors of fruits and flowers. They are usually concentrated in the skins of fruit, but berries, such as strawberries, also tend to have anthocyanins in their flesh. Anthocyanin content is usually proportional to color intensity, increasing greatly as the fruit ripens. Anthocyanin-rich foods are associated with numerous health benefits, especially regarding heart health. Strawberries are consistently ranked among the top sources of phenolic antioxidants, with levels 2 to 11 times greater than other fruits. L-glutanins and ellagic acid comprise a large part of these antioxidants in strawberries. They have received considerable attention and have been linked to numerous health benefits. This includes fighting bacteria and a reduced risk of cancer. The main L-glutanin in strawberries is sanguine H6. The effects of freeze-dried strawberry supplements on type 2 diabetes or metabolic syndrome have been studied intensely, mainly in overweight or obese individuals. After 4 to 12 weeks of supplementing, participants experienced a significant decrease in several major risk factors, including LDL, bad cholesterol, inflammatory markers, and oxidized LDL particles. When carbs are digested, your body breaks them down into simple sugars and releases them into your bloodstream. Your body then starts secreting insulin, which tells your cells to pick up the sugar from your bloodstream and use it for fuel or storage. Imbalances in blood sugar regulation and high sugar diets are associated with an increased risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Thus, strawberries may be particularly useful for preventing metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. Strawberries are usually well tolerated, but allergy is fairly common, especially in young children. Strawberries contain a protein that can cause symptoms in people who are sensitive to birch pollen or apples, a condition known as pollen food allergy. Common symptoms include itching or tingling in the mouth, hives, headaches, and swelling of the lips, face, tongue, or throat, as well as breathing problems in severe cases. The allergy-causing protein is believed to be linked to strawberries' anthocyanins. Colorless, white strawberries are usually well tolerated by people who would otherwise be allergic. Furthermore, strawberries contain goitrogens that may interfere with the function of the thyroid gland in people with thyroid problems. Strawberries are low in calories, delicious, and healthy. They are a good source of many vitamins, minerals and plant compounds, some of which have powerful health benefits. The health benefits include reduced cholesterol, blood pressure, inflammation, and oxidative stress. Furthermore, these berries may help prevent big spikes in both blood sugar and insulin levels.
Thanks for watching. Thank you. Like, share, comment. Links in the description. Check out Struggle Mushrooms. Subscribe/follow.
Excursion. Not until we are lost do we begin to find ourselves. Thomas E. Hamilton.